Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a black exterior, and we have a black interior. Do have heated and ventilated seats here for driver and passenger. Driver's seat, steering wheel, rear seats, and quick look up at the front. And we'll come around to the back here. We've got our GLA 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. Mileage on this vehicle currently at 6,967. Do have a push button ignition. And here is our touchscreen display, currently showing radio and backup camera. Of course, you can access all the functions just using the touchscreen just like that. You can also use the command module right down here to make adjustments on the display. Below the display we have our climate control and cup holder, the command module I mentioned earlier, with center console storage, and our shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.